In this quick guide, we'll cover how to add comments and feedback to a Word document, perfect for sharing insights, suggestions, or clarifications directly within your document. Open your Word document. Go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Highlight the text where you want to add a comment. Click on the Comment button. Type your comment in the comment box that appears on the right side. Click outside the comment box to save it. To edit a comment, double-click on it. To delete a comment, right-click on the comment box and select Delete Comment. Alternatively, you can mark a comment as done, which will gray it out.